In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Monopoly Go airplane mode. Now, some of you will encounter airplane mode not working, but in this tutorial, I'm going to guide you to fix that issues. Now, go to your settings, and then on the search bar, search for Monopoly Go. Wait for the application to show. Once the app shows, you'll just need to click it and then go to storage and cache, then clear the cache. By clearing this application cache, it should be working by now. Now to test it out, go to your Monopoly Go. There's also another option to fix that issues, but for now, we'll need to check if it's working. Wait for the Monopoly Go to load up. There's also a third option that I think I can recommend is by uninstalling and installing the application, like you're starting from the very beginning. Now, if it's still not fixing your problem in airplane mode, we'll have to go to the another option, which is using a VPN. Now, to do it, go to your Play Store, or if you're using iOS, just go to your Apple Store and search for Proton VPN and download this application, which is VPN Proton. Install it. Then once you're done downloading it, set it up and proceed to the procedure, and that's it. That's how you will use this VPN to fix your issues in airplane mode in Monopoly Go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.